Check. Gotta pause that there. Hey, Crypto Hop here. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. Happy Thanksgiving. You know, we all know the stress and tension with family dynamics and different things that go on in life. But my goal today is just, as it should be, just be thankful and live in the present moment and just appreciate what is. And just don't go outside of that for 24 hours because it's so hard. We're trying to predict the markets. We're trying to become financially independent. There's a lot going on. The bills can pile up this time of year. We always want to buy more presents than we receive every Christmas. So I'm just for a moment try to put that to the side. But I was watching this last night. This economist, Gerald Celente. This guy, I like him because he is what's he say? He's a political atheist. He was the assistant to the Secretary of State in I think it was George Bush's administration, but he's hung with elitist politicians, and he has seen firsthand how it's us against them, and it doesn't matter what side of the line that you're on. He says. I mean, they work in cahoots. It's all together. The left and the right create turmoil amongst the citizens. And here's a reflection of what has happened with that. It's interesting. You know, I don't talk politics on this show at all, but I do want to show you guys this one. Let's take a look at what Gerald has to say. And this is Kitco. It's a financial news media outlet. I love that these guys are neutral as well for the most part, but the financial information on Kitco is beautiful. Kitco News. Check it out sometime if you get a chance. This is Gerald right here.
Let's jump right into the contradiction in corporate America. I mean, HP announced 6,000 layoffs, and the stock price jumps. And I mean, you called that a freak show, right? But this morning's labor.
I've held HP for a long time, by the way, and it's just been flat for me. Okay, so this is what initially caught my attention on this.
Department data showed 216,000 jobless claims, the lowest since April. Help us square this up. I mean, is the government data masking a white-collar recession, or is the labor market stronger than what we've been saying here?
It's getting worse. You're looking at, in tracking trends, you make connections between different fields. Mm-hmm. And we're political atheists. We don't take sides. It's not what you like, what you want, what you wish for. There was an election in New York City. Mayoral election, the biggest city in America. A little boy, 34 years old, nobody ever heard of the cat a year ago, Mondani, wins the election in New York City. How come? Because the people are busted. They're broke. A democratic socialist. This is New York City. Yeah. You look at the people that went out to vote, Generation Z, and the millennials, the biggest turnouts. Over 1 million people voted for this guy. Hey, I'm going to give you free bus rides. Hey, you got free childcare. You can't raise the rent. The people are suffering. And again, you got to look global. Hey, there's a place called Tanzania. Another one, Nigeria. Mm-hmm. Oh, how about Morocco, Madagascar? How about Nepal? Gen Z revolutions going on around the world. They can't find work. Now let's look at the facts. According to the data, nearly 50% of the retail spending in America comes from the top 10%. Mm-hmm. The rest of the people are going broke. Here, look at the facts. Look at the housing market. Not too long ago, the average age of first-time home buyers, 28 years old. What's it today? 40 years old. Yeah. Hey, and I'm going to give you a 50-year mortgage. Oh, you mean so I'm 90 years old, I'll pay the thing off? Oh, what's the death rate in America? About 78 years old? I'm just putting this together. When you look at the data, the young people can't find jobs. You look at the unemployment rate for young people. Look at the young people getting out of college. They can't find jobs. The numbers are all there. And AI is wiping out more of them. And it's the future. So it's very serious what's going on. There is absolutely no connection between Wall Street and Main Street. Mm-hmm. When Wall Street goes down, then the real pain of Main Street becomes a reality. Look at all the news that you're hearing. Will Black Friday sales go up? The they don't have any money. They're broke.
Yeah, we've been hearing this disconnect between Main Street and Wall
So
Street.
that's what I
narrative.
would
It
show
seems
you
to be
guys,
getting-
man. It's unbelievable. What I'll do is if you have a chance, that's over an hour long, interesting stuff with data that he's speaking from. Like it's factual information that he's coming for, and it just gives you an idea and a perspective of what's going on out there. I'll leave you with this. Just going to show that quick Bitcoin chart. So some of the indicators that we're looking at, these moving averages are coming together right here. Okay, and I have what is that? 92 is my support level that we're testing right now. The big thing I wanted to show you, this trend line up here, this has been our downward trend that I'm paying close attention to. If I zoom out a little bit, you can kind of see this has been our downward trend, since that early October here. Our goal is to reach up to this trend line and break this resistance. So it's right, I've got it right about 95. This is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4 in about the next 5-6 days. This is the big area right here, that 95,000. If we crack above that, we should have some momentum upside. That's just my quick tea on this thing. Hey, no doom and gloom. Like I said, it's the key to life here, right? We just want to make sure we got our bills paid. We live in the present moment, and we're spending some quality time on this thankful day, no matter what situation you're in. Try to reset the brain if you can. Go eat some turkey, and take a walk with a loved one or your doggy after that to try to burn some of the calories off, or not, or just hang out and take a nap on the couch. Watch that traditional movie that you might do on the night of Thanksgiving. So that's my message today. Thanks for checking in as always, guys. Crypto Hop signing off. Enjoy your Thanksgiving, everybody. Peace out.